Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best mini split ACs that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pioneer Air Conditioner Pioneer Mini Split Heat Pump. This mini split air conditioner with 2000 BTU of cooling capacity is suitable for the single-zone residential applications. The set also comes along with ductless indoor and outdoor unit. Moreover, the indoor section has a sleek and fashionable front panel with dimmable LED display. You get a wireless infrared remote controller with large LCD backlit display. This air conditioning device also consists of permanent washable filters. Furthermore, this AC has the facility of automatic swing discharge with louvers. The unit is able to provide silent air conditioning with the multi-speed fan motor and whisper quiet technology. The heating capacity of this unit is 11800 BTU with 9.0 HSPF efficiency. With this unit, you get 4 operating modes for cooling, heating, ventilation, and dehumidification. The night mode of this AC automatically changes the temperature as per your body temperature during the night. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Senville SENL18CD Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump. With 19 SEER, this mini split air conditioner comes with an efficient inverter compressor for active cooling and heating. This unit also allows perfect heating or cooling even in the low temperature, like 5 degrees Fahrenheit. This device comes along with a 16 feet copper line set and easy installation kit. The AC has the whisper technology for noise-free operation. With 18000 BTU, this unit is also suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, additions, and commercial applications. Furthermore, you can easily install this unit. The heating function helps to generate heat faster. This unit is more or less energy efficient. The machine has industrial-grade material construction for durability. This air conditioner comes in a bucket-free design. The model consists of multi-directional air vents. It comes along with a user-friendly remote control. All in all, it is one of the best mini-split ACs. At number 3, we have the Ductless Air 24000 BTU 20.5 SEER Energy Star Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner and Heat Pump. This mini split air conditioner comes along with a HEPA filter to deliver fresh and pure air quality in your room. The unit also has the auto-cleaning option for longevity and lesser maintenance cost. Moreover, the dual sensor feature of this machine allows you to operate the machine both using fixed or remote options. The whisper quiet operation of this machine makes it ideal for a bedroom. This unit also comes with refrigerant leak detection. Furthermore, the electroplated coils of this unit enhance the electrical conductivity. This machine consists of washable air filters. The AC comes with 3 fan speeds with turbo mode. You get the user-friendly operations like self-diagnosis and auto-protection functions. This unit includes a heating belt for quicker temperature rising. At number 2, we have the 24000 BTU 20.5 SEER Ductless Mini Split DC Inverter Air Conditioner Heat Pump System. With a 20.5 SEER variable speed DC inverter compressor, this mini split AC runs with 208 to 230 volt electric supply. This unit also comes with ductless heating and cooling system. Moreover, the machine comes along with a wireless remote control with LCD display. The 15 feet communication wire comes with insulated pre-flared copper tubing. The machine is also capable of starting the heating operation in low ambient heating and cooling. Furthermore, the indoor unit comes with an LED display and the unit enables 24-hour time. The unit offers 7 indoor fan speeds. You get an independent dehumidifying option with this air conditioner. It comes with 2-way draining connection as well. This unit comes with auto functions for restarting, defrosting, cleaning. Overall, it is one of the best mini split ACs to buy. And finally at number 1, we have the Innova 9000 BTU Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner, Inverter SEER 15.2 Cooling and Heating. With a 20.5 SEER variable speed DC inverter compressor, this Mini Split AC runs with 208 to 230 volt electric supply. This unit also comes with ductless heating and cooling system. Moreover, the machine comes along with a wireless remote control with LCD display. The 15 feet communication wire comes with insulated pre-flared copper tubing. The machine is also capable of starting the heating operation in low ambient heating and cooling. Furthermore, the indoor unit comes with an LED display and the unit enables 24-hour time. The unit offers 7 indoor fan speeds. You get an independent dehumidifying option with this air conditioner. It comes with two-way draining connection as well. This unit comes with auto functions for restarting, defrosting, cleaning. Overall, it is one of the best mini split ACs to buy. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.